Money day, guys and girls. I hope you guys are blessed. Now, listen, there are some really important things that I should address to you guys. And I think the most important thing is to inform you that my Forex funds may not have done what we think they have done. Now, of course, you know, typically when news comes out in the press, we jump on it, we attack it, and we pretty much don't really look at two sides of the story. We just look at the story that's being printed. And actually, my Forex funds just yesterday have had $100 million in assets unfrozen. Now, by looking at this article that I can see here, in court yesterday, MFS founder and CEO secured partial victory with the release of assets valued around $100 million. However, the court did uphold still the freeze on 12.8 million of the assets and dismissed the idea of appointing a new temporary receiver. Now, they do go on to actually speak about the fact, okay, and this is the defense of my Forex funds. It does say here, the MFF's defense contested the CFTC's portrayal of pre-authorized payments as transfers to the CEO, claiming that these funds were intended for Canadian tax authorities. They also questioned the extreme nature of the statutory restraining order, labeling it as an excessive measure to shut down a business and freeze personal tax. So what they're basically saying is, look, man, you've frozen a lot of money. We was actually going to pay for tax. We weren't looking to run off with, we was going to pay for tax. You know, that's discretional. We can't tell if that's the truth or if it isn't. But if we do look further into the statement, we do see here, based on CFTC's data, MFF disbursed $137 million while under investigation from 2021 in November. So actually this time 2 years ago is when their investigation actually begun. Okay, and throughout this period, the prop firm accumulated $310 million in fees. And that's from nearly 135,000 clients, indicating that the company allocated 44% of its earnings to successful traders. Now, with this client base, my Forex funds' average revenues and payouts per customer were around $2,300 to $1,000 respectively. Now, I can personally say, okay, because I'm not here to talk about other people's experience, I can only talk about my own. I have personally witnessed having live funded accounts with my Forex funds and my account has frozen. Meaning, I'm in a trade, when I'm pressing close, the trade is not closing. Okay, the trade is not closing, I can't modify the position, the take profit, the SL's been hit, price is still going. In a matter of fact, price continued going until the account went to zero. Like the trade just didn't close for about 2-3 days. And I didn't get another account. So again, you know, as much as there's going to be two sides to every story, I also have experienced wrongdoing with my Forex funds on multiple different occasions. So, you know, as much as these guys have had money now given back to them, I'm still not going to sit on the fence, and I'm still not going to sit on the side of my Forex funds and say, hey, these guys they're incredible, they deserve to be green lighted. Okay. Going further into this case here, we do see the complaint against my Forex funds brought to light a range of deceptive practices, including unjustly terminating customers' accounts, like I just told you, misleading commission assessments, and executing customer orders at unfavorable prices using specialized software. Now that, what they're saying to you, okay, is something that, again, me, you, if you're a trader, you've probably witnessed, okay? You enter a position right here. When you get into the trade, it's down here. This is what they're saying. They're saying they have the software, okay, that triggers you into the trade miles beneath or miles above where you actually wanted to enter the trade. And they're saying they have a software for this, guy. So please understand some of the trickeries that these prop firms do in order to stop you from actually making money. Now, the legal actions extended beyond the US, with the Ontario Securities Commission imposing a temporary cease to trade order against Traders Global and CASME. Now, the case raises important questions about the proprietary trading industry's practices, particularly regarding drawdown rules and income generation from failed challenges. Now, it is standard for many prop firms to exercise drawdown rules, okay? At the end of the day, what they're doing is they're pretty much saying to you that you need to apply proper risk management in order for you to get paid, which is fair. But of course, when you hear things about certain softwares being imposed and different type of tactics, I mean, look, there was a lot of emails that was leaked when it comes to my Forex funds, and you know, you had directors, you had managers saying, "Sink them to hell." You know, I quote, "Sink them to hell." So, you know, there was a lot of unjustful things happening with the intentions of deliberately failing customer accounts. So we do, of course, have to take into consideration that as much as they may be getting money unfrozen right now, you know, the legal system is never always really, you know, it's a very tactical game. Let's just say that, to say the least. I don't want to get cancelled. It's a very tactical game. And if you know how to play it, you know, this is chess, it's not checkers. So look, guys, my honest review on my Forex funds is, even if they do make a recovery, they've been leaked in regards to the information that they were sharing amongst each other about customer accounts. So if you're someone watching this video and you're waiting for my Forex funds to come back, and you think that if they come back, okay, things are going to be different, I would just say to you, be careful. Okay, I lost a ton of money with my Forex funds. It taught me a lot, and it made me appreciate and understand that you have to simply charge it to the game. That's what you got to do. There's no refunds. You know, you got to charge it to the game. So guys, look, my advice to you guys, if you're watching this and you want to get involved with a prop firm, okay, a prop firm that has a face to the brand, a prop firm that can provide you with not only a reliable service, a transparent service, but also the possibility of being flown to Dubai and paid in cash on a podcast, I would suggest you check out Accelerated Prop Group. They are at the moment beating the market standards, meaning if you compare the prices from a 100K account to the accounts that Accelerated Prop Group provide, they're providing 115K whilst you're getting 100K on the other side. So guys, enjoy, check it out. Check the websites out, do your comparisons. I'm sure you guys in the comments below are going to check it. You're going to have some fun with APG. Most importantly, guys, if you're trading prop firms, trade responsibly, and always remember to get accelerated.